Hey everybody, welcome to Cooking with CJ. Today we are making a Hawaiian favorite, one of my favorites when I go to Hawaii, Loco Moco. Alright, so we're going to do it the traditional way, little spin on it, we're going to make it with fried rice. Okay? So if you want to see how we put this together, come on back. Okay, if you're a returning subscriber, part of CJ's crew, you know I love you. Thanks for stopping by. And if you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button and the bell next to it so you get all the good alerts of what we're doing here. Okay? So, like I said, today we're going to make some Loco Moco. I'm going to do it with fried rice instead of just regular white rice. Now, most people, when they get Loco Moco, they get it at a lunch place in Hawaii. You know, I love going to Hawaii. I've been there a bunch of times. And it's one of my favorite dishes to get. So, but I'm not a fan of mac salad. So all you haters out there who like that little clump of mac salad with their rice and their Loco Moco, ain't happening. Sorry. You know, put in the comments that you hate me. It's gonna be just the hamburger patty, the fried rice, the gravy, the egg on top. It's gonna be wonderful. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and put this dish together. Next up, you're gonna see the finished product, which is gonna look delicious. I can tell you that right now. Then I'm gonna show you the ingredients, how we have everything spaced out here, and then we're gonna get on the stove and we're gonna start cooking the fried rice. I have some rice already laid out, cooled, dried out. Got the aromatics already chopped up, so you're not gonna see any chopping or preparing. It's just gonna be straight to the stove. Okay. All right, guys. Here's the finished result. Got our Loco Moco fried rice. Got that nice gravy on top. We're gonna cut into this nicely. Yeah, buddy. Nice runny egg. It's gonna combine with that gravy. It's gonna be awesome. All right, come on back. All right, guys, we're gonna go over the ingredients for our Loco Moco with fried rice. We got our hamburger patties seasoned with our sheepdog barbecue garlic dog rub. I think it'll be good. Got our stuff to make the gravy, the onion gravy. We got our eggs for the moco of the Loco, I think. And for the fried rice. So we got some rice drying out here. Little onions, little carrots, little green onions, ginger, garlic, soy sauce, and sesame oil. And a beer. Cheers for while I cook. Yum, yum, yum. Come on back. All right, guys, we're back. We're on the stove. We got a wok, screaming hot. Okay, got a little 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil already in there. We're gonna add a couple dashes of sesame seed oil. We're gonna get save the soy sauce for next. We're gonna get our aromatics in there. Get some carrots. Got our onions. We're gonna add a little ginger, and we're gonna add a little garlic, okay? So we're gonna cook these carrots and onions real quick. Get them a little done through. We wanna leave a little texture. We wanna leave, oh, carrot down. Wanna leave a little flavor, a little texture. We're not gonna cook the crap out of these and make them so soft that they disappear. So we wanna get them cooked, get that flavor of the oil in there, get it toasty. All right, this is a quick dish. All right. So we're gonna add some garlic. I like garlic, so I'm gonna add a healthy spoon and a half full. Okay. And a little. We got some ginger here. Just a little tablespoon. Okay. We're gonna get that working together. Like I said, it's gonna go quick. We don't want to burn the garlic. We don't want to burn the ginger. So we want to keep it stirring, keep it moving, keep it grooving. It's a little warm, like I said. We got a really hot pan. All right, quick. Got some rice getting ready to go in. I'm sure I'm gonna make a huge mess dumping it in, but you know, what the heck. Just be careful. I had to cook this rice today. I didn't have any day-old rice that's been cold and dried out. So if you have that, use it. But if you're like me and you wanted to make this dish today, just use your instant rice, use your Uncle Ben's. All right, get it all incorporated. Okay, and this is where I'm gonna start adding probably a good couple tablespoons of the soy sauce. Okay, get that saltiness in there, that good flavor. All right, yeah, buddy. All right, guys, we're back. Got it cooked through. Got a little bit of char in there. Last thing we're gonna do is add this little beaten egg. Actually, it's 2 beaten eggs. Okay. Get that in there. Put that in the sink. And just mix it through. All right. And this is my very simple, very easy, very tasty fried rice. All right, come on back and we'll start working on the hamburger part of the Loco Moco. Guys, I don't know if you can hear that or hear me over that, but that sizzle is on point. Look at that nice crustification on top. Whew. I'm gonna throw some butter in, spurting up oil everywhere. Oh, it's gonna be so good. All right, I'm gonna do these up, do the other ones. Come on back. Okay, guys, the burgers are done. Now we're gonna saute these onions. Get them in there. Let's use this thing. The moisture from the onions is going to release and help scrape the little black bits from the bottom. We're going to get these nice and sauteed through. Alright guys, we're back. We're going to add the flour to this and make our little roux. Got about a good 1/4 cup. I think it's a good ratio of the fat that's in there. We're going to use our handy dandy giraffe whisk and get this cooked down. Remember, we want to cook the flour for a good minute or so. Now this gravy is not going to be a pretty gravy. You know, there's some good bits in there from all the seasoning on the hamburger and the fat in there. Okay, so don't stress out on that. It's just going to be a tasty gravy. All right. All right, we're going to add a couple of good dashes of Worcestershire. You get the point. So a couple good little nubbins in there, little dashes. Let's add our beef stock. Slowly. Yeah, buddy. I think we're gonna add a good, probably 2 cups in here. Let it reduce down a bit. And it'll be ready. All right, guys, we're back. We're ready to try this bad boy. Cut into it already. Got that nice egg yolk running through there, mixing with the gravy. I love Loco Moco. It's my favorite. And this fried rice was easy to make, awesome to do, tastes great. Got a nice little bite here. Cheers. Yeah. It's a winner, baby. Burger tastes great. That gravy tastes great. The rice tastes great. The egg tastes great. It's all great. Listen, after this one, I deserve a nice whiskey and a cigar. I'm gonna head outside. Maybe I'll snap a picture for you. But that's it. Thanks for stopping by. Thanks for cooking with CJ. Take care now.